Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have shown this beautiful black and gold nail design which is really simple to create. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon. So now, without any more delay, let's get into the video. So we'll start the nail design by applying a good layer of the base coat. Once the base coat has dried, we are going to take the black nail polish and apply it as the base color. So once the black nail polish has dried completely, we are going to take the gold nail polish to create the golden strokes on our nail. This step is really important. You need to dip your nail polish brush into the polish and then get rid of the excess polish by gliding it on the top of your nail polish bottle as shown. You have to do this till a very small amount of the polish is left on your brush. Then to create the golden strokes, glide the brush over your nail as shown. That's how your nail design will look. Repeat the same on the other nails as well. And that's how your nails are gonna look. Don't forget to lock it all in by applying a top coat. And there you go, your beautiful black and gold nail design is ready. That's it for today's video guys. I hope you like the nail design and will try it out soon. If you guys like the video, hit the thumbs up button. Leave your comments and your feedback in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon so that you get notified each time I post a new video. I'll see you guys next time with more such amazing videos. Till then, bye.